Hello my dear student. So today I will discuss about the fourth chapter of mathematics of class 8, which is practical geometry. So in this section we will discuss about the different type of construction present in your syllabus. So first construction, construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 5.5 cm and PR is equal to 7 cm. So let's start the quadrilateral construction. First, draw a triangle PQR. First, draw a triangle PQR using SSS criteria, where PR is equal to 7 cm, PQ equal to 4 cm and QR is equal to 6 cm. Just draw a triangle of PQR where PQ equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm and PR is equal to 7 cm. Now we have to locate the point S. So take an arc of PS which is 5.5 cm. Take an arc of 5.5 cm in a compass. Just point your pointer of compass at P and draw an arc. Now take an arc of RS, that is 5 cm. Take an arc of 5 cm in the compass and place your pointer here and just cut here. Now join this is your point S. Now join the PS and join the RS. So this will be RS is equal to 5 cm and PS is equal to 5.5 cm. Now this is your required quadrilateral PQRS. So this is the first construction which is very easy. Now coming to the second construction. Second construction is construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Given that where AB equal to where BC is equal to 4.5 cm, AD equal to 5.5 cm, CD equal to 5 cm, and diagonal AC equal to 5.5 cm, and second diagonal BD equal to 7 cm. Now second construction, construct a quadrilateral ABCD where BC is equal to 4.5 cm, AD equal to 5.5 cm, CD equal to 5 cm, and diagonal AC and BD which are given 5.5 and 7 cm respectively. So you have to draw the ABCD quadrilateral. Now first of all, draw ACD. Draw ACD using SSS criterion, that is side criterion. By the using of SSS criterion, draw the triangle ACD where AC is equal to 5.5 cm which is given. Now CD is equal to 5 cm and now AD is equal to 5.5 cm. Now we have to locate the point B. Now we have to locate the point B. So with B as a center, draw an arc of radius 7 cm. Draw an arc of radius 7 cm. That is from point D. Draw an arc of 7 cm. Now this is D. D, A, C. This is 5 point, this is 5 cm and this is 5.5 cm. Now from D we have to draw an arc of of 7 centimeter. That is, place your pointer or compass here. Just measure an arc of 7 centimeter. After that, place your pointer at D. Place your pointer at D and cut a arc of 7 centimeter. This will be here. From this is the arc of 7 centimeter here. Okay. Now measure an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Measure an arc of 4.5 centimeter from the compass and place your pointer at C and cut the arc, the measure of 4.5 centimeter. That's it, cut. This will be here. Now just join the AC and this your point will be, this point will be B. This is point your will be. Okay. Now join all the point, that is this and this. So BC equal to, now BC is equal to 4.5. You have already measured the BC equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now BD will be 7 centimeter, and now AB equal to, what will be the value? AB is not given. So this is your required quadrilateral ABCD. First of all, you should draw triangle ADC, where AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Now measure an arc of 7 centimeter with the help of compass. Now place your pointer at D and cut an arc of 7 centimeter. That is here. Now measure an arc of 4.5 centimeter and put your pointer at C and cut the arc where they meet. This point will be B. Now join all the points. This is your required ABCD. So this is your second quadrilateral. Second construction. This is your second construction. Now come to the construction third. Now come to the construction third. Construction third. And which is construct a quadrilateral MIST, where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 75 degree, angle I equal to 105 degree, and angle S is equal to 120 degree. So now third construction is construct a quadrilateral MIST, where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 75 degree, angle I is equal to 105 degree, and angle S is equal to 120 degree. So we have to draw a quadrilateral MIST. Now first of all, draw MI, which is 3.5 centimeter. Now draw IS. This is your IS 6.5 centimeter. But angle I is equal to 105 centimeter. Now you have to draw the angle 105 degree at I. So first of all, you should draw at 90 degree at I. Then after that, draw 15 degree. Then you will obtain the 105 degree. So here you have to draw the 105 degree. This is your 105 degree. Now take an arc of 6.5 centimeter with the help of compass. Now place your compass I and cut an arc of 6.5 centimeter, that is here. This point will be S. This is S and this is 6.5 centimeter. Now this is MIS. Now you have to locate the angle S that is 120 degree. So you have to draw the 120 degree at S. You have to draw the 120 degree at S. So here you have to draw 120 degree. That is, this is your 120 degree. This is 120 degree. For construction of 120 degree with the help of compass and ruler, first of all you should draw 90 degree. After that you should draw 30 degree. Then this angle will be your 120 degree. First of all, here you should draw 90 degree, then 30 degree. Then you will get the 120 degree with the help of ruler and compass only. Now take and R. Now you have to draw the angle M, which is 75 degree. So here you have to draw the 75 degree. How will you obtain 75 degree with the help of ruler and compass only? First of all, you should draw the 30 degree, 60 degree. First of all, you should draw the 60 degree. After that, you should draw the 15 degree. Then you will obtain the 75 degree with the help of ruler and compass only. So here you will draw the 75 degree and join this. So this will be 75 degree and this point will be your T. So this is the required quadrilateral of MIST. So this is your third construction. Now coming to the fourth construction. Fourth construction. Now fourth construction is construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle B equal to 105 centimeter, 105 degree, and angle C equal to 18 degree. So this is construction 4. So you have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle B equal to 105 degree and angle C is equal to 80 degree. So you have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD where all the measures are given. So first of all you should draw BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Just draw the BC equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have to draw the angle B 105 degree. So at B just draw the angle 105 degree. How will you construct 105 degree? How will you draw the 105 degree? First construct the 90 degree, then after that construct the 15 degree with the help of ruler and compass only. So here this will be your 105 degree. You have already studied in your class 6 and 7 how will you draw the angle 15, 30, 60, 75 and 90 degree with the help of ruler and compass only. So no need to explain how to draw the angle 15, 30, 45, 16, 75 and 90 and 120 degree here. Here we will discuss about the construction, not the drawing of the any angle with the help of ruler and compass only. So just draw the 105 degree at B. Now BC is equal to 5 centimeter, AB. So here will be your AB. Just take an arc of 4 centimeter with the help of compass and place your pointer here and cut an arc which will be 4 centimeter. So this will be cut and this will be 4. This will be 4 centimeter and this point is A. Now draw the angle C 80 degree. So you have to draw the 80 degree at C. So you cannot draw the 80 degree with the help of ruler and compass. So use the protractor to draw the 80 degree centimeter. So draw here 80 degree centigrade. Now take an arc of 6.5 centimeter with the help of compass and place your pointer here and cut an arc which is 7.5 centimeter, and this point will be your D. Now join this AD. So this is your required quadrilateral. This is ABCD, your required quadrilateral. So this is your construction 4. Here I am not explaining how to draw the angle 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree, because you have already studied these all angle draw with the help of ruler and compass only. So no need to explain here. Just you have to draw the quadrilateral only here, not the measure of any angle. Because in your previous classes, that is in 6 and 7, you have already studied about this. Now come to the construction 5. Construction 5. Construction 5. So construction 5. Draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. You have to draw a square of 4.5 centimeter. So square, that is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. All triangular angles are 90 degree. So you have to draw a square of 4.5 centimeter. First of all, draw a line of 4.5 centimeter. This is A, this is B. Now at B, draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler only. So here, just draw an angle of 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now take an arc of 4.5 centimeter and place your pointer B and cut an arc. Here is the arc, and this will be your 4.5 centimeter. This point is C. This point is C. Now with A and C as center, draw arcs of 4.5 centimeter. Now measure and 4.5 centimeter arc with the help of compass. Take an arc of 4.5 centimeter with the help of compass. Now place your pointer here and cut an arc. This will be your arc. Now here place your pointer and cut. So this will be your arc. So this point is here and here. So this, now join the A and C. This is your C. So this will be 4.5 centimeter and this will be also 4.5 centimeter. So this is your required square ABCD, where all the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. So this is your construction 5. Now come to the construction 6. Now come to the construction 6. Construction 6. Draw a rhombus ABCD. You have to draw a rhombus ABCD. Where AC is equal to 7 centimeter and BD is equal to 6 centimeter. AC and BD are diagonal, and these both are diagonals. Diagonal. So what is the rhombus? Rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal, but it is not necessary to all the internal angles are 90 degree. That is, square is a special type of rhombus where all the internal angles are 90 degree. But you have to draw only rhombus. So it is not need to draw internal angle as 90 degree. And here AC and BC are diagonal. So first of all, you should draw AC, which is 7 centimeter. This is A, this is C, this is 7 centimeter. Now perpendicular bisector get. Now you should do perpendicular bisect of AC. That is bisect the perpendicular bisect. You should perpendicular bisect to AC. That is, place your pointer here and take an arc of more than half and cut. This will be your cut. Now from here this will be your cut. Now from here this will be cut and cut. So this is the cut. Now join these. So this is your perpendicular bisector. So this point O. Now AO is 3.5 centimeter and OC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now take an arc of 3 centimeter. Take an arc of, this is the 6 centimeter. So take an arc of half of the BD. Take an arc of 3 centimeter. Now place your pointer here and cut an arc. This is your arc, 3 centimeter. Now here, cut here again. So this is your 3, this is your 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Now join all these. This and this. So this point is B and this point is D. Now this is your required ABCD. This is the rhombus. So this is 3.5, 3.5. That is 7 centimeter. 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. That is AC is equal to 7 centimeter and BD is equal to 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So this is your required rhombus ABCD. So this is all about the construction which is present in your syllabus. Thank you.